Alright, so we got lightning, we got fireworks in the skies of Orlando, y'all. I guess it's a competition, but God said he gonna have no competition. Because God don't need no matches. He's fire by himself. It's a blurry vision here. I'm trying to get it clear. So it's the fireworks or the lightning. That was the lightning. This is going on out here. I guess it's supposed to have some rain. It was some rain. I know it certainly rained on the cruise ship. That's the other side. We haven't been over there, so I'm not sure what's what out here. Is that Universal? Is that Epcot? Is that Disney World? What's over there? I don't know, but it's something. And then when you come around the landscape on this side, I was told that that's Disney World over there. And then what's over here that's lighting up the sky, I don't know. But anyway, there's fireworks and there's lightning, y'all. There's the lightning. Hallelujah.